Hello there children, it's Mr. Speller here once again. I hope you are all well at home and are enjoying your home learning this week and have been able to get outside and enjoy a little bit of the fresh air too as well. Welcome to my kitchen. Today children, we are going to be talking and learning all about capacity. Can you say capacity? My turn, your turn. Capacity. Capacity. Fantastic. Now, capacity, children, is what we say when we're thinking about how much something holds. Okay, so you could be thinking about maybe how much water your water bottle holds. That will be the capacity of your water bottle. How much water does your water bottle hold? Okay. You could be talking about your fruit bowl. You could be thinking, how many bananas does my fruit bowl hold? You'd be thinking about the capacity of the fruit bowl, okay? Or you could be thinking about maybe how much pasta fills your jar, the capacity of your jar. How much pasta can your jar hold? So there's lots of things in and around the house and outside where we can look at how much things hold, okay, and that is capacity. Now, today children, you might be familiar with these guys now. I've had Martha, Maisie, Derek, Patrick and Colin have all come to visit me. Now they have been on a really big walk around the South Downs and they're feeling extremely thirsty, okay, so they're all after a big drink. Luckily, they've come to the right place. So, I'm going to speak to Martha first and see how much she would like. Oh, Martha says she's really thirsty. Okay, so Martha would like a full glass of drink. A full glass. How much do you think I need to put in here if she wants it full? Would it be here? Here? How much would full be? Let's have a little look. Luckily for these guys, I've put a little drink together for them already. So I knew they were coming. Thirsty work, hiking around the downs. There you go, Martha. Martha, you're right children, has a full glass. Can you see that? A full glass. Full. When we say full, we mean that there is no more room at all for any more to go in. The container is at full capacity, okay? I can't get any more drink in there if I tried without it overspilling. Martha has a full glass. There you go, Martha. Thirsty work. I hope you enjoy it. Maisie, what would you like to drink? Okay, Maisie would like the same. Okay. Maisie says she's not as thirsty as Martha, okay, so she doesn't want as much of a drink. You don't want a full glass. Okay, Maisie wants a nearly full glass, okay, so nearly full. Again, here's her glass. Where do you think? Shout stop when you think it might be the right amount. Would it be up to here? All the way to the top, maybe? And that's full, so where would nearly full be? Let's find out. Maisie, I'll get you your drink. There you go, Maisie. Very refreshing for you. Can you see, children? This glass is nearly full. It's not completely full because there's still a little bit of space in the container, okay, but it's nearly full, isn't it? There's more water in there than there isn't. Maisie, your glass is nearly full. Nearly full. Okay, and we can compare that, can't we, here to Martha's. Martha's glass is full, and Maisie's glass is nearly full. You see the difference there? Very good. All right, you two, tuck in and enjoy. Oh, Derek would like a drink now. Hello, Derek. Derek really loved his run around the downs. Okay, Derek isn't as thirsty as Martha or Maisie. Okay. You still want a drink? Okay, how much would you like? Okay, Derek would like his glass to be half full. Half full. Let's see then, where do we think that might be, children? Would we fill it to here? Maybe. Here? Where do we think? Shout stop when I've reached the halfway point. Could be here. But this was full. And this was nearly full. Yeah, I think you might be right. My guess is there. Well, Derek, let's half fill your glass and see. Maybe a bit too much. There you go, Derek. Derek's glass is half full. Can you see that? Half full. Half of it is full and half of it is empty. That means it has the same amount of liquid in the container then there isn't, okay? Derek's glass is half full. Half full. And again, we can compare, can't we, children? Because we can see Martha's here is full, Maisie's is nearly full, and Derek's is only half full. So can you see the difference there between full and half full? Okie dokie. Patrick, would you like a drink? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Patrick says he only joined for the last bit of the walk, so he's not that thirsty. He's definitely not as thirsty as Martha, not as thirsty as Maisie, and not as thirsty as Derek. He only wants a little drink. Okay, so he wants his glass to be nearly empty. Nearly empty. Okay, so this was nearly full, but you want to be nearly empty. So, Derek, I've got your glass here for you. Where do we think it might be, children? Shout stop. Be here? Here, maybe? Well, we know that's half full. We know that's nearly full. And we know that that's full. So it must be somewhere around here. Let's have a little look. Patrick, one nearly empty glass of drink coming up. There you go. Children, here is Patrick's nearly empty glass. Nearly empty. Nearly empty. And we can compare that, can't we, against the glass that's nearly full and nearly empty. The nearly full glass has more liquid than it doesn't. So there's a little gap at the top for a bit more, but most of the glass, most of the capacity is full. But with Patrick's drink, he only has a small amount of liquid and most of his glass is empty. So it's nearly empty, isn't it? Nearly empty. Because most of it is still lots of space. One last person. Colin, would you like a drink? Oh. Colin says he's not thirsty at all. Do you want a drink at all? No. Colin says he's not thirsty and he doesn't want to drink. He does want a glass just in case, but he wants his glass to be empty. Here you go then, Colin. One empty glass. Empty means there's nothing in it. Absolutely no liquid, no nothing. It is empty. And can we see the difference? Full, empty. Colin has an empty glass. Cheers, Colin. So can we see, children, if I move our friends around over here for a little moment, we can compare the capacity of the glasses. So let's just recap, shall we? Martha's glass was full. Maisie's glass was nearly full. There's still a bit of space left. Derek's glass was half full. You could say half capacity. Patrick's glass was nearly empty because there's a lot more space in there than there is drink. Nearly empty. And Colin, of course, he wasn't thirsty at all. So Colin, his glass is empty. Fantastic. Now, children, what do you think might happen if I poured the nearly empty drink, nearly empty glass, the drink in here, into the nearly full glass? What will happen if I put this into this? Will it go from being nearly full to half full? Nearly full to nearly empty? Will it be empty? Or will it be full? And what change will happen to this glass? We'll see the opposite in this glass. Because we're moving our liquid from here into here. So what do we think will happen to this glass? And what do you think might happen to this glass? Let's find out. So, we have our nearly full glass and our nearly empty glass. And I'm going to pour all the liquid from the nearly empty glass in to the nearly full glass. Get it all in there. What has happened? That's right. The nearly empty glass is now completely empty. And the nearly full glass is now completely full. What's going to happen then if I pour all of this liquid into this empty glass? So this full glass, at full capacity, what will happen when I pour all of that into here? What do you think? Some very good predictions. There's only one way to find out. I hope I don't make a mess. Ready? So I've got to pour the full glass into the empty glass. Go. Ooh, a bit of a mess. It's okay. We like mess. That's right. The glass that was full is now empty. And the glass that was empty is now full. So you can see, children, that capacity can change all the time by putting things in, taking things out, okay? It's never set. You can always change the capacity by pouring a little bit, moving a little bit in and out of the container. Okay, so now, I'm going to put that glass down over here. Now I have 2 full glasses and 1 glass which is half full. I'm going to pour some liquid from here into here. Based on what we just experimented with, what do you think might happen to this glass? It's half full. I'm going to add some more. I think you might be right. I think this glass might become full. And if this glass becomes full, what is going to happen to this one? What will happen? Will it stay full? I don't think it will, because we're going to take some out to put into here. So let's see. This is half full, this is full. Ooh. What's happened, children? Absolutely. The glass that was half full is now full. And the glass that was full is now only half full. Because we changed the capacity. We moved the liquid from this glass into this glass. And by moving the liquid, the capacity in both of them changed. So, we have 1 full glass, 1 half glass. I'm going to move them aside. Now, I have this full glass and 2 empty glasses. How do you think I can make both of these glasses half full using just what's in this glass? So this is full and these are empty. But I want to make both of these half full. How much do you think I need to take out of here to put into here and to put into here? And then, how much will be left in here? That's a real brain thinker, isn't it? This is full, these are empty. And I want to make these half full using just this. And then I want to know what will happen to this glass once I've finished pouring the liquid. What do you think? Yeah, some really good ideas. Talk to your grown-up as well. See if they can help you with your thinking and your reasoning here. Have a little think. I'm going to give it a go and we're going to find out if our predictions are correct. So, swap the glasses round. So this is full, this is empty. I'm going to make this one half full. Okay, just going to top that back up because I spilt quite a bit on the kitchen table. Okay, so I poured it out, and now, children, can you see? I poured half from this glass into here, and now we have 2 glasses that are half full. This was full, and this was empty, but now I've poured half into this glass, and they're the same. But I also want to pour half into here. So, I'm going to pour the rest in until I get halfway. Okay, you see, this glass is now half full. But what's happened to this glass? That's right, It's empty. It was full, then it was half full, and now it's empty. It was full, half full, and now it is empty. And these two glasses are both half full, as we set out to achieve. Wonderful. Okay, well, I think I'm going to leave it there. I think you guys at home could easily have a go at playing around with these. Okay, so you could get some glasses like I have. You could get some containers. You could use anything, pots, pans, you know, you name it, anything that you can hold something in. You could go outside, it could be flower pots perhaps. You could even just go and dig a hole and see how much you can fill that hole and play around with making it full, nearly full, half full, nearly empty, and then empty. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed teaching that to you. Okay, so I will see you again soon, and until then, take care of yourselves.